In a subjudice matter pertaining to non-compliance with the IRC codes in the widening of Sarhand Patiala Road by state authorities, the principal bench of NGT recently instructed the state and other respondents to submit an affidavit elucidating why land cannot be acquired to comply with the guidelines and compensatory plantation cannot be undertaken within 10 km of the location. Petitioners Kapil Dev Arora and Jaskirat Singh of Public Action Committee said, following the acquisition of forest land and initiation of felling of thousands of trees for the expansion of Sarhand Patiala Road by the Forest Department as well as PWD National Highway Division Mohali, they approached NGT asserting that the state of Punjab failed to adhere to the mandatory IRC guidelines SP 21 2009 for landscaping and plantation as well as for the upgradation widening of the road from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. Kapil said the PWD department cited the project as a brownfield one within the right of way, despite acknowledging that, as per in principle and final approvals given by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change following IRC codes is mandatory. Furthermore, as directed by NGT previously in a similar issue, the compulsory afforestation must be executed with 10 km of the location, but the Forest Department of Punjab intends to undertake plantation in existing forests of Ropar and Hoshiarpur situated at a distance of 80 km and 120 km from the location. Kuldeep Singh Kheda, another petitioner and PAC member, said according to IRC codes, the requirement of land for tree plantation should be assessed and incorporated in the land acquisition plans prepared for a highway widening project and addressed as a single planning task. The detailed project reports prepared for the road projects must encompass landscaping and tree planting as an integral component of the design, and there should be no compromise on the cost. However, despite acknowledging these facts, the respondents failed to comply with the mandatory guidelines. The PAC members indicated that the PWD submitted before the bench that the requisite land for complying with the guidelines is unavailable, to which they contested that approximately 85% of the stretch comprises agricultural land along the road. After hearing the arguments from both sides, the bench observed and directed that PWD maintained that requisite land for complying with the above guidelines is unavailable, but no details of the efforts made by the PWD or other authorities have been placed on record. The learned AAG for the state of Punjab has sought 4 weeks to file a further affidavit to clarify the above position.